In this video, we are going to see how we can write a text on the image in Google Docs. So let's say this is the image that we have inserted. What we can simply do is, as soon as you insert the image, just right click on this and basically you get the image options. Just right click on image options, and on the right we have all the image options, which allows you to change the size and rotate the images. You can do the text wrapping, you can reposition, recolor, however you want, you can do that. Click on the text wrapping, and let's say that we want to write any text on the image. So what we do is, from text wrapping, we choose behind the text. And now let's test this. Let's say I press enter and make sure the cursor is around the corner, and we can write my company mobile. Let's say this is the text that I want to show over the image. So basically this image goes behind the text so that we can clearly see our text on the front. After that, you can readjust your image accordingly, according to the text. Similarly, let's say if we want to insert any new image, you can just go to insert, click on the image, and you can either upload it from your computer. You can search for the web images. If you have some on Google Photos, Google Drive, you can select that as well. So click on the web search, and let's say I want to search for mobile. Here are all the images that we can use. And here is the one. Let's say I want to use this one. As soon as we select this, click on insert, our new image is inserted right away. Also, you have another option if you want to insert some kind of text box that doesn't need this setting. You can click on insert, you can click on the drawing, click on new, and basically you can insert a text box here and say my text box settings. And here basically you can format it. Let's say we want to format it in white. Let me just save and close this in order to see the sample. Yes, we can. The text box is set in white. You can readjust it if you want to, or otherwise you can make all of these settings right here so that it is inserted in a perfect way. So fill color, let me just make it transparent, and the text should be gray. Click on save and close, and that is how it shows up. You can resize it and place it on the image like this. So we have both options. Either you can use the text that is written in the normal document and place it behind the picture, or you can insert a text box in Google Docs. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.